Hey y'all, happy, I don't know what day it is, I think it's Thursday. Yes. Back in Charleston, got through my road trip, and luckily Charleston fared pretty well through the hurricane, so we're all good here. We did have some flooding downtown, some minor debris, but all in all, we were good. I didn't lose power, so that was awesome. And today we're gonna chat about loans and the amount that you need to put down in order to obtain a loan. So I hear a lot of myths out there that people believe that you need at least 20% to purchase a home, 20% down payment. That's false. So I'm here to debunk that myth for you. So obviously there is an advantage if you can and are willing to put 20% down. That's going to be less risky for your lender. Also, when you put 20% or more down, this is obviously going to lower your monthly payment, which will be an advantage for you. On top of that, you do get rid of private PMI, which stands for private mortgage insurance, when you put 20% or more down, which can save you some money in the long term. So that's kind of what you can avoid when you are able to put that 20% down. So it is very advantageous if you're able to, but I would say, the majority of people are possibly not putting 20% down, and that's totally fine. There are products out there for everyone, and you can put as low as 0% down depending on you and your situation. So things like, a VA loan, you can put as little as 0% down. Obviously, you'd have to be a VA, so some qualifications do come up there. For a conventional loan, you can put as little as 3% down. And for an FHA loan, you can put as little as 3.5% down. So again, you do not have to put 20% down in order to purchase a home. Depending on your situation, you can put 0. And for the others, for conventional or FHA, anywhere from 3 to 3.5% is all you need to put down. Credit score is going to come into play in this a big time. So I'll do a video on credit scores separately, but you want to make sure that if you have a better credit score, you'll be able to get a conventional product, which in the long term is going to be a better product for you. For most people, it's going to save you money in the long term for the entirety of that loan's life. But if you are having some credit issues, or possibly you just have a lower credit score at the moment, FHA might be a good product for you. Again, you can put as little as 3.5% down on an FHA product, and then you'll be good to go. So no more 20%. You do not have to put 20% down. If you can, go ahead and do it. If you're not able to, no worries. You can put 0 down if you're a VA. So if you have questions about loans, I will refer you to a handful of my preferred lenders, because I'm not a lender, but did want to get it out there. I've had some questions recently, and you do not have to put 20% down. So shop your options, shop your lender, make sure you know what products you're getting, and choose a monthly payment that you're comfortable with. And let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help guide you towards a lender that works best for your personality and your situation. Here to help.